Well, hello there. Welcome to A Cooking with Christian. Today, we are doing steaks. Not just any steaks. Delicious, butter-basted steaks on the cast iron skillet. Let's look at our offering today. We have two beautiful New York strip steaks. They are choice, and to be honest, I think they're a little grade higher above choice because they have some pretty decent marbling. You want to look at that in there. All right, so once you got those really good and dry, now I want to put on our seasoning, which our seasoning for today is Jane's Crazy. It is the best, and also we have some chosen avocado oil. First we put on our oil, just a little bit, not too much. We basically want to coat the outside of the meat. So, make sure to get the edges and everything in between. Maybe just a little bit more. So after you do that, you put this away, and we get our Jane's Crazy. Any seasoning will do. If you don't have Jane's Crazy, I recommend salt, pepper, and garlic powder. But we want to apply liberally. So get it nice and coated on all sides. Flip her over. This is my favorite. The cast iron pan we have here is at its smoking point. You want this so it gets a nice crust on the outside. You can tell it's ready when it's just starting to smoke. There's a little bit of smoke coming off. It's starting to smoke now. I might turn it down just a little bit. And we're gonna place it in. Press down a little bit. We're gonna set it to 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Timer's off. I'm gonna check this out. Oh, that's a beautiful sear on there. I'm gonna turn it on. And I think we're gonna set it for a minute. Just a minute. I'll show you a secret step. So it's been a minute. Turn that off. And our secret is to use butter. So we're gonna get a good amount of butter. Toss it in there. Now, the fun part. We're gonna get a spoon, tilt it on the side, and we're gonna baste. For probably another minute 30. Possibly two of the best flavors when added together. All right, we're done. All right, time to take it off. Put it on here. This is the time we let it rest. So we're going to take that off the heat, turn that off. And we're going to put a foil over. I like the foil because it keeps that heat in while allowing that muscle to relax. So it's not like a cold steak when you get it. Let's test the doneness. I'm feeling pretty good about this one. Shooting for medium rare. That's it, pretty good. Just a touch overdone. I probably could have basted just a little bit less time and would have gotten an even better result. It's pretty spot on. Okay, So here we have we just took the thumbnail, so of course we had to get a nice beauty shot. But I think we're gonna go in for a taste test. Get one right out of the middle. Dip in some juicy. The butter gives it such, like you can taste the butter like on your tongue. Like it's just fantastic. If you have never cooked a steak with butter before, I recommend it 100%.
I'm gonna try this piece right here. That is so good. Like you said, the butter, you can like taste it. And I'm just gonna have another one. Look, even this little one. Just look at that. Put in some juice. I will tell you, this is like the best. Like, why do you go out to eat when you have this for $8? Amazing.
That was a success. Hope you learned something.
As usual.
Keep going. We will see you on the next Cooking with Christian.